called Love, and in this video I am showing you how I achieved this nice sleek install. I know it's kind of similar to my last video. Well, the style is, the color is not, but the style is. But I just love, I'm like loving this side part, and you know, kind of like swoop type bang type deal with curls. Like, I'm really falling in love. But anyway, before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel first of all, because what we all know that it helps me grow and YouTube pushes my video so other people can watch me. If you are new here, welcome. But make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment down below to tell me how you like this video, and make sure you give it a thumbs up because that also helps as well. Any interaction with my channel helps me out, and I appreciate all the people that do comment down below and just say hey or give a emoji or whatever. You know, I love it, and it's all love, girl. So let's get into this video because I've been rambling long enough. Yeah. So this is what the wig looks like. Straight out the, well, not straight out the box, because I, like in all my wigs, I plug the hairline. So this is the hairline. It's really cute. The hair color is pretty. I'm going to try to curl this part, because I think for me, plucking the hairline kind of got a little messed up, but it might not. I might not have to curl it. Who knows? But we'll see. And this is the card. So y'all see the brand. Yeah, but she's cute. So far, I can't wait to put this on. Yeah. This is the inside of the wig. Of course, I'm going to cut out these combs. For the inside, it had, I guess, like the fake, I guess, trying to mimic, what is this? The cap. So, I guess for color, I didn't like, how it was inside of it. I didn't like that. Like you could see the demarcation line at the hairline, and I didn't like that. So what I did was take my seam ripper and just take the thread out and just cut the rest out. So now I'm just going to color my lace. I suggest that you be very careful with that seam ripper, or leave it as is. If it doesn't bother you. It bothered me, so that's why I took it out. You don't have to. That's not a must, because you don't want to damage your lace. So I was very, very careful. I just didn't film that part, unfortunately, me doing that. So sorry about that. my regular. I'm talking like takes for better. And this is the final look. Like, girl, what lace, honey? Like, this little honey blonde color is so pretty. Like, this is the perfect blonde on my complexion, my brown complexion. Like, girl, like, I just can't stop playing with this hair. As you can see, I curled it and it just made it so much better. Like, girl, like, I be like, girl, what? Like, it's so pretty. I love this. Like, it is so pretty. Like, girl, you can't tell me nothing. You cannot tell me nothing. Like, you cannot. I'm trying to get it just right, but I need to just leave it alone. Because it is synthetic, so. But sometimes I look back on my videos and, girl, I be needing to fix stuff, so. But I need to just leave it alone. Yeah. But if you enjoyed this video, tell me what you think. Comment down below in the comment section. Also, make sure you like this video. And make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And I appreciate everyone for watching. So see you next time. Bye.